Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Canva account. More specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a YouTube banner for your YouTube channel in Canva? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a YouTube banner for free in Canva anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and YouTube is a part of that, it's important to have a professional storefront, and creating a YouTube banner is part of that process. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and you can do this for free in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. It's going to show all of your recent designs. Now, in order to create a YouTube banner for free, what you're going to do is up here on the search bar, go ahead and just click there and type in YouTube banner. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your designs right here. However, you want to scroll down until you see Canva templates. Once you see that section, click on see all over here to the right. Okay, guys, so as you can see, there's quite a few templates that are available in Canva for YouTube banners. So you can see this one right here, this one. So the thing is, it's free. However, if it is associated with a cost, you can see right down here on the right, if it has the crown or it has a dollar sign, then there's some sort of cost associated with it. If you're looking for just the free templates, go ahead and click on all filters here on the top. Once you click there, you can go ahead and filter out the YouTube banner templates by these various categories, and then just scroll down until you see this section and just click on free and then click on apply. Okay, so all of these YouTube banner templates are free. So now you just want to kind of scroll through until you find one that kind of fits your brand. So let's see, I kind of like this one right here. So let me just click on that. Okay, one cool thing about Canva is when you click on a template, it's going to show you other ones that are kind of similar. So you might find one that you like even more. So this one looks pretty cool. I do like this one, but actually I like this one a little bit better. So let me choose this one. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. So now what you're going to do is go ahead and just click on customize this template. Okay, so here we are in the editor. So this is where you can go ahead and edit your YouTube banner. So it's pretty easy. It's just like setting up a Facebook page. So all you're going to do is just find the element that you want to change. So for example, my name is not Olivia Wilson. So we'll just go ahead and rewrite that. Make money Anthony. Okay, so now the format's kind of messed up, so we're just going to go ahead and just drag it out a little further. Okay, that looks good. And then my channel is not a music channel, so we'll just go ahead and click into there and make money channel. Okay, so that's also messing up the format, so you just kind of highlight it and we can go ahead and decrease up here on this bar. Okay, now it fits right in. And then this is a nice looking girl, but that's not me, so I'll just click right here on the image, and then we need to change her image out for mine. So the weird thing about Canva is you can't just swap out images. As you can see here, there's no button for that. So what we're going to do is just click on her, and then here on the left, we're going to click on uploads, and then we're going to click on images right here. And if you don't have any images here, you can go ahead and upload an image from your computer by clicking here. Once you upload the image from your computer, it'll be dropped here into your Canva folder. And now in order to replace her, all you're going to do is just grab your picture and just drag it right over her. As you can see, it automatically sizes it and just drop it right in. So that looks pretty good. And then maybe we'll go ahead and change this, sit back and relax and enjoy the music. Maybe we'll go ahead and change that to subscribe or else you will regret. Okay, so there's that line that's kind of going over it. So let me go ahead and I'm going to delete that line. Okay, there we go. And then here, subscribe. So that looks pretty good. Okay, so this color scheme doesn't really match up with me. So all you need to do is just click on the color. So you can see the background, it has a purple line around it now. So that means that we're working on that section, and we can go ahead and just click here on the background color. And so it has this kind of purple transition-y color, but we can actually just scroll down and then find a different color. So maybe your color scheme is this kind of rainbowy color. You can change it. Or maybe we want this orange, or maybe we want a solid color. So we'll do this blue. And then if there's other features that you want to drag into your YouTube banner that you're creating on Canva, you can go over here on the left and click on elements. Okay. And then you can just scroll through. So you can go ahead and add stickers in there if you want. So maybe you want something like these hearts, and just grab it and just drag it right on over, and wherever you want it, just drop it. Okay. So those hearts are really big. So we're going to go ahead and just shrink that down. Okay. And then we'll just move it around as we see fit. Maybe put that down here. But they have a lot of elements, as you can see here to the left. You can add in a photo gallery with this. You can add in these different stickers. But for me, that looks pretty good for my YouTube banner. And also another note is you can go ahead and move these items around. So right here, we're going to just hover over this, and now you see the purple line is around this whole subscribe. So maybe I want that to be over here. So I'm going to just drag it over, and then I'll grab the subscribe and drag that in as well. And then this button, I'll drag that one over. And then lastly, the bell icon, drag that over. So now we move that whole section over. So let me move myself out of the way. Okay, so once you're done creating your YouTube banner in Canva, you're going to click on share. But before you do that, you might want to rename it. So I'll put up here YouTube banner and then my channel. So that way I can reference it later. Money, Anthony. Okay, now we're going to click on share up here on the top. Okay, now we can go ahead and download our YouTube banner. All right, and then we're going to click on download. All right, now it's downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so there is my YouTube banner that we created in Canva. You can see it looks pretty good. And now we can simply upload this into our YouTube channel. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a YouTube banner for free in Canva, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.